Well, my friends, this is a new video to show you a case of diabetic foot. You know the diabetic foot, the complications of diabetes. There are many complications. Diabetic retinopathy, diabetic myopathy, diabetic neuropathy, diabetic foot sore or diabetic leg. That is the kind of gangrene. You know the gangrene? Gangrene means death of the soft tissue. Death of the soft tissue in mass with superadded putrefaction is called a gangrene. Death of the soft tissue with superadded putrefaction, খুব গন্ধ হবে, is called gangrene. Gangrene are of two types. Sudden occlusion of the arteries, হঠাৎ করে রক্ত চলাচল বন্ধ হয়ে যায় আর্টারিতে, তাকে বলা হয় সাডেন অক্লুশন গ্যাংগ্রিন। আর একটা গ্যাংগ্রিন হচ্ছে গ্রাজুয়াল অক্লুশন গ্যাংগ্রিন। This is most common gangrene, gradual occlusion of gangrene. The senile gangrene due to cause of atherosclerosis or diabetic gangrene of the aged persons or the persons who are suffering from prolonged diabetes mellitus or blood sugar level always increasing or suffers from gangrene due to gradual occlusion of the artery. So dry gangrene, it is due to gradual occlusion of the artery, but generally not accompanying the vein because veins are not commonly obstructed. So there is adequate venous return, but the arterial supply is cut off. So this is a sample of diabetic gangrene. আস্তে আস্তে there is a demarcation mark, নর্মাল টিস্যু আর ডেড টিস্যুর মধ্যে একটা demarcation হয়ে যায়। This is called our diabetic gangrene. You have heard the name diabetic gangrene or diabetic foot leg or diabetic foot sore, but you have never seen, many of you অনেকেই দেখেননি। This is the example of diabetic gangrene I am showing you, my friend. This ready. This is diabetic gangrene. The fingers are already gone to the diabetic ulcer. ওই পা দেখি ওর দ্য লেগস, এই পায়ে আঙুলগুলো এখনও যায়নি, কিন্তু এখনও ঠিক মতন না সারাতে পারলে এই পায়ের আঙুলের মতন। এই পায়ে দেখছো কৃষক ঘাস লতা পাতা বেঁধে রেখেছে, কিন্তু তাতে আঙুল আটকানো যায়। So diabetic gangrene is a very dangerous, a very severe case. Patient with ulceration, deep infection, affecting the muscles, tendons, even it goes to the bones, may form osteomyelitis or systemic sepsis. So superficial ulceration may be treated and cured very easily, but when the ulcer goes to the deep and deeper tissues of the body, it goes on decreasing. দিন দিন খারাপের দিকে যাবে। There is the destruction and degeneration of the muscles, periosteum and bones. So at first there is pain, swelling in the feet, blister formation, ulcer formation, edema, presence of crepitus and purulent discharge and fever, tachycardia, hypotension, etc. But later on, the patient becomes worse and worse. So If there is no proper treatment, if there is no proper treatment, the patient goes from bad to worse. The patient goes from bad to worse. This patient already lost 4 fingers. So pathetic, so severe, so sorrowful case. In our homeopathy, we treat the patient, not the disease. So the patient is suffering from diabetic gangrene, but my prescription is arsenic alba. My prescription is arsenic alba. Why? Because the patient is hot. Arsenic patient is chilly. Arsenic patient is chilly. But this patient is hot. But I do not like to prescribe arsenic alba. Because the thermal reaction is not very important in this case. All symptoms are important or less important according to gradation of the patient. পেশেন্টের কাছে কোন লেভেলে কতটা আছে তার কাছে। এই পেশেন্টের থার্মাল রিয়াকশান অতটা বেশি ইম্পর্টেন্ট বোঝা গেল না, বাট অ্যাংজাইটি ইজ প্রিভ্যালেন্ট। অ্যাংজাইটি ইজ প্রিভ্যালেন্ট। Every homeopathic prescriptions may be from the different angles, my friend. I have repeatedly told you and I have shown you the efficacy of this method in every day in my video cases. So, fastidiousness. This lady also developed fastidiousness and tremendous anxiety. Anxiety to the infinite. Tension ta beshi kore. So, in this case, the thermal reaction is less value. In this case, the thermal reaction is less value. More value is the mental symptom, the anxiety. So, though the patient is chilly, and arsenic also very good medicine for gangrene. If you go through the skin chapter, there is a rubric gangrene, and arsenic is in the first grade. Arsenic is in the first grade. So, arsenic is the choice of medicine, my friend. Considering the pathological symptom, it covers the gangrene, it covers the mental anxiety and fastidiousness. So, let's prescribe arsenic alba in 50 millimole scale of potency. Let's see the result. I shall share you, my friends, this case.